What's up, guys? So I gotta be super transparent with you. We're trying to build this YouTube channel, and in an effort to do that, we're giving away this 1975 Ford Mustang II. .302 Boss engine, V8, fantastic vehicle.
Here we go now.
So we're looking to get to 400,000 subscribers by April 15th, and we're gonna pick someone completely at random who has commented on the YouTube channel on any of the videos, who's also subscribed. Guys, we're excited to keep producing fun content about business, entrepreneurship, trading, all this fun stuff that we like to do. This is somebody's dream car, and we can't wait to give it away.